Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change Google language back to English on Google Chrome desktop. Here in my Google Chrome, the default language is set as Bangla. Now I'm going to change Google language back to English. Click on your profile icon on upper right corner and then click on the link you find here Google. Then click on the second option, personal information. Scroll down. Here you will find a globe icon. This is the language. Click on the globe icon. You will find a edit icon. Click on the edit icon and here type the language you want to change. I'm typing English. Click on English. Scroll down and I'm selecting English United States. Then click on the lower right button and the language is changed here. Now another way, in address bar type google.com. Again click on your profile icon on upper right corner, then scroll down and you will find a globe icon here. It's language. Click on it. Here the globe icon is the display language. Click on it and type English here. Click on English. This is the confirm button. Click on confirm button and the display language has been changed. This is the easiest way to change Google language back to English on Google Chrome.